I trust the whole process. I have faith and trust in this staff and Dr. Letcher, or otherwise I wouldn't be here the 7th time. Hi, I'm Rebecca Shaper, and I've been coming to Dr. Letcher for a very long time. The first time I needed an implant was I went to my regular dentist, and the tooth was decaying. And part of it was the bone issue, bad teeth, getting older, and at that point, he recommended me to come to Dr. Letcher.
Rebecca has been coming to us for years, and over the course of her many years, she's been with us. We've put many implants in. She had a tooth towards the front of her mouth that broke off, and she can come in that day, have the tooth removed, an implant placed, and leave with a tooth that same day. And we're pretty proud of that here because we as a team, myself and our whole staff, we work hard to take really good care of patients.
When I first came, my first visit here, I felt at ease. I felt very comfortable. They explained everything to me, and then when I went in to have my surgery, they were extremely detailed on what was going on, and that made me feel extremely comfortable. Everything went smoothly, and one of the reasons why I came to Dr. Letcher because he's so knowledgeable. His staff is extremely friendly, professional. When I saw all the technology, I was blown away. I went, wow, I feel really safe. It's like a one-stop shop. Everything is wonderful. I would highly recommend anybody going to Dr. Letcher.